Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your daily advance reward in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox winter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The winter update or the Christmas update has been dropped in Plants vs. Brainrots game, and here you will see daily advance. Okay, right here guys, and if you want to claim it, just go to this area or this location and you will find claim button right here, and then you just need to click on the option. And here I have two options. I have two ornament and I'm going to choose the sunflower ornament. Okay, done. And I got my conveyor power after I claim the daily advance. Okay, and you can go to this location to claim the reward from the conveyor. I'm going to claim it. Oops, my inventory is full. Okay, done. I got the water bucket. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim your daily advance reward in Plants vs. Brainrot game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!